Good morning. Our business delivered a strong third quarter, setting the stage for a record year. The diversified portfolio served us well with good contributions across precious metals, energy, and iron ore. I'm proud of the top ESG rankings we received. And this quarter, we again achieved a prime rating from the ISS rating agency. We recently added to our community programs, committing to fund water supply infrastructure to communities around Antapaccay. We're also partnering with Continental Resources to fund a project for solar-powered water recycling. This is a strong growth year for Franco. It's driven by the ongoing ramp-up of Cobre Panama and new contributions from Haynesville, Condestable, and the Vale iron ore royalty. Of our core assets, to me, Antamina was the standout performer for the quarter. Cobre Panama also had record production for the quarter. The energy shortage, playing out globally, has pushed up both oil and gas prices. Our energy revenues are 2.5 times larger this quarter than a year ago. This includes the recently acquired Haynesville natural gas royalty package, where we're getting the benefit of drilling on some high royalty interest sections. The energy price spike highlights the power of diversification in our portfolio. We expect to meet our GEO sales guidance range for the year, and with higher energy prices, have raised our energy guidance for the second time this year. Cost inflation continues to take its toll in the gold sector, particularly with higher energy prices. On the contrary, our margins have widened due to the inflation-protected nature of our business model. I believe the only time we've had higher margins was before we started streaming, right after our IPO. Our growth for the next number of years will come from both mine expansions and new mines. Cobre Panama is the largest driver. Last week, First Quantum provided more detail on its construction and commissioning plans to expand the mine from its current 85 million tons per annum to achieve throughput of 100 million tons per annum by the end of 2023. Detour Lake was a center of attention in the quarter. First, with a 10 million ounce increase in its M&I resource, taking it up to 30 million ounces, including reserves, and then with a merger between Agnico Eagle and Kirkland Lake. I think Agnico's learnings from Malartic applied to Detour will further improve the asset. In terms of new mines, Salares Norte construction is on track. Construction of Hard Rock started just last week, and we expect the Valentine Lake, Eskay Creek, and Stibnite gold mines to follow over the next few years. News on two of our pipeline of longer-term copper royalties. SolGold published a maiden resource on its Tandayama America deposit on the same concession as Alpala, which appears a viable large-scale open pit. And Hudbay had ongoing success drilling out the Copper World targets at Rosemont. They expect a PEA in the first half of 2022. The battle for control of Noront and their Ring of Fire nickel and chrome deposits continues. We've seen multiple bids from Wyloo and BHP, both potentially great partners to develop the region, and a terrific endorsement of its potential. In summary, Franco-Nevada continues to deliver with record financial results, built-in growth, and tremendous long-term optionality. The company is debt-free, has total available capital of $1.6 billion, and is continuing to grow its cash balances. Thank you for your support.